AI is changing the face of modern defense. And in 2026, some of the biggest opportunities are coming from companies embedding artificial intelligence into drones, weapons, and decision systems. We start with Blade Ranger. Originally known for solar inspection drones, it pivoted in 2025 to defense, supplying AI-powered payload systems for reconnaissance and tactical missions. This marked its entry into homeland security and defense, proof that even small innovators are finding their place in the military AI ecosystem. BigBear.ai has steadily become one of the Pentagon's go-to AI partners. While it hasn't been deployed in live combat, it has been field-tested in some of the toughest military exercises. In June 2024, Big Bear demonstrated its AI orchestration technology at the DoD's TREX 2024-2 event, fusing sensor data in near real time. By February 2025, its Conductor OS platform was used in Exercise Talisman Sabre, a large multinational drill with US and Australian forces, helping coordinate drones and sensors to accelerate battlefield decisions. Beyond exercises, Big Bear is now embedded in long-term defense programs. In March 2025, it won a $13.2 million contract to modernize Orin, the DoD's force management platform that senior leaders rely on for planning and readiness. It's also part of the Army's Project Linchpin, where AI models are being integrated directly into battlefield operations. Taken together, these projects show that Big Bear is moving from simulated testing into operational deployments, making it one of the most strategically important AI defense players heading into 2026. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions has been steadily pushing the boundaries of unmanned combat aviation with its XQ-58A Valkyrie, often described as a loyal wingman drone. First flown in 2019 at the Yuma Proving Ground in Arizona, the Valkyrie was built under the Air Force's low-cost attritable aircraft technology program to operate alongside fighters like the F-22 and F-35. Over the years, it has proven it can fly in formation with fifth-generation jets, carry and release payloads from its internal weapons bay, and even recognize battlefield threats in real time. Each step has moved the Valkyrie from an experimental prototype into a modular platform with multiple variants, ranging from electronic warfare roles to strike missions. By 2025, the Valkyrie had transitioned from testing into real-world exercises. The Marine Corps flew it during the Emerald Flag exercise, where it independently detected threats and relayed targeting data to manned aircraft. More recently, in mid-2025, pilots in F-15s and F-16s directly controlled Valkyries during live sorties at Eglin Air Force Base, demonstrating seamless teamwork between humans and semi-autonomous drones. This progression makes Kratos one of the clearest examples of AI-driven autonomy, moving from concept into combat-ready capability, reshaping the future of air warfare. Leonardo entered the AI defense race in a major way at the Paris Air Show in June 2025, when it announced a joint venture with Baykar, the Turkish drone maker behind the Bayraktar TB2. The new company, called LBA Systems, is a 50-50 partnership headquartered in Italy, designed to produce next-generation combat drones. These drones will rely heavily on AI for autonomous navigation, swarm teaming, and precision targeting, allowing them to operate in contested airspace with limited human oversight. The partnership combines Baykar's proven combat drone platforms with Leonardo's advanced avionics, payloads, and certification expertise. Leonardo has already pulled in resources from its facilities in Turin, Rome, and Grottaglie to support the program. The goal is clear: build European standard AI-driven UAVs that can compete directly with US and Chinese systems, while giving NATO allies more autonomy in sourcing critical defense technology. By entering the UAV space with a trusted partner, Leonardo has shifted from being primarily a defense electronics and aerospace supplier to a frontline player in AI-enabled aerial combat systems. BAE Systems is accelerating its AI capabilities through a strategic equity investment in the UK deep tech startup Oxford Dynamics in August 2025. This partnership embeds Oxford Dynamics' real-time AI systems designed to interpret data, coordinate action, and make operational decisions into BAE's Prophecia platform. Prophecia is already used by militaries to manage and maintain critical assets such as warships, armored vehicles, and combat aircraft. With Oxford's AI, Prophecia gains predictive power, anticipating failures, optimizing maintenance schedules, and ensuring readiness across domains. This collaboration aligns with the UK's Strategic Defence Review, which calls for sovereign capabilities and rapid innovation. BAE is now empowering frontline forces with AI-enabled autonomy, giving commanders smarter insight and faster decisions, especially in contested or dynamic environments. By integrating cutting-edge AI into its asset management backbone, BAE BAE is transforming from a traditional defense contractor into a leader in AI-driven operations. Booz Allen Hamilton is the go-to guardian of AI security for the U.S. defense and intelligence communities. In 2025, the firm rolled out adversarial testing suites designed to harden Pentagon AI models against real-world threats, ensuring they can't be easily tricked, manipulated, or corrupted during critical missions. Their capabilities include techniques like adversarial training, red teaming, differential privacy, and ongoing operational monitoring, all central to guarding AI in high-stakes environments. Further bolstering their defenses, Booz Allen Ventures made a strategic investment in Hidden Layer, whose MLSec platform adds layered protection by detecting and neutralizing attacks such as prompt injection, model theft, or malicious code at runtime. Together, this makes Booz Allen a vital bridge between innovation and mission-ready AI deployment. Through its open-source toolkit AI Symbol, Booz Allen also offers a streamlined AI engineering approach tailored for federal use. This modular system standardizes the way AI systems are developed, deployed, and maintained across DoD programs, breakfasting gates from rapid development to secure operations. On the operational side, Palantir Technologies took a massive leap in 2025, winning a $10 billion U.S. Army contract to expand AI across logistics and command systems. That same year, it deployed its Maven Smart system with NATO, giving allied forces a shared AI brain to fuse sensor data and accelerate battlefield decisions. This means the AI is helping militaries make faster calls on the ground, identifying and prioritizing enemy targets, choosing which units or weapons should respond, rerouting supply convoys under threat, and even synchronizing multiple allies' systems so everyone has the same clear picture of the battlefield. Instead of commanders being overwhelmed by conflicting data feeds, Maven narrows down the options and ensures the right resources are deployed at the right time, shrinking response times from minutes or hours to just seconds. Meanwhile, L3 Harris has pushed AI into full-scale swarm control. In February 2025, the company unveiled Amorphous, the autonomous multi-domain operations resiliency platform for heterogeneous unmanned swarms. This open architecture C2 software layer allows a single operator to command thousands of autonomous assets, drones, surface vehicles, undersea vessels, and more from a unified interface. These platforms don't just follow orders, they're empowered with decentralized decision-making, meaning each unmanned asset can autonomously adjust its actions in real time and even reassign tasks if another unit fails. Amorphous isn't just futuristic, it has been tested in real-world U.S. Army and Defense Innovation Unit prototypes, coordinating mission control across air, land, sea, and space domains. It's even designed to continue operating smoothly if part of the command link is disrupted. L3 Harris calls this leaderless swarm operation, where instructions are broadcast across the network and individual assets determine how best to execute them, ensuring resilient and scalable autonomy. Boeing also leaned into autonomy. In early 2025, its Phantom Works unit partnered with Shield AI to embed the HiveMind Pilot AI into drones like the MQ-28 Ghostbat. That means GPS-denied autonomy, where drones can navigate and fight without satellite guidance, a critical capability in contested zones. Boeing's Horizon X also continues to back AI startups, strengthening its edge in cybersecurity for defense aviation. Raytheon Technologies advanced AI in weapons. In 2025, it embedded Shield AI's HiveMind into loitering munitions and layered its VIDAR system into seekers and targeting pods, automatically spotting swarms and moving threats. Beyond its own systems, Raytheon has also been mentoring startups to accelerate the Pentagon's adoption of decision-making AI. Northrop Grumman carried this momentum into October 2024, unveiling an AI-enabled upgrade to its Forward Area Air Defense Battle Manager. The system fuses multiple threats, drones, rockets, missiles, and generates firing solutions in under a quarter second. After live fire tests at Yuma Proving Grounds, it became one of the most battle-proven examples of AI managing threats faster than humans ever could. On May 6, 2025, AeroVironment unveiled the Red Dragon, a new class of fully autonomous unmanned aircraft designed for one-way attack missions in GPS-denied and communications-degraded environments. Built on the company's Avacor shared software architecture, Red Dragon can adapt across multiple domains, air, land, and maritime, while using the Spotter Edge perception system to detect and classify targets automatically. This means operators can trust the drone to identify threats and execute missions without needing continuous human input or satellite navigation. Its design emphasizes mass production and rapid deployment, signaling that AeroVironment is preparing to supply large fleets of autonomous, combat-ready systems systems at scale. Archer has been making headlines with its defense pivot. On August 7, 2025, the company announced two strategic acquisitions, one of Overair's patent portfolio in key tiltrotor talent, and another of a 60,000 square foot composite manufacturing facility from Mission Critical Composites in California. These moves build on Archer's December 2024 partnership with Anduril to co-develop hybrid, autonomous, VTOL military aircraft, with the Pentagon requesting $13.4 billion for autonomous military systems in its 2025 budget. Archer is positioning itself as a serious supplier of vertical lift combat aircraft, blending commercial eVTOL expertise with military requirements for autonomy, survivability, and rapid iteration. The acquisitions ensure Archer can prototype and scale quickly, bringing critical defense manufacturing in-house. And last but certainly not least is Lockheed Martin, which on December 16, 2024, launched Astris AI, a wholly owned subsidiary dedicated to deploying secure AI tools across the defense industrial base. One of Astris AI's flagship initiatives is the AI Fight Club, an internal and external testing ground where AI systems are pitted against each other in simulated combat scenarios spanning air, land, sea, and space. This isn't entertainment. It's a rigorous head-to-head evaluation designed to expose weaknesses, identify the most robust models, and accelerate operational deployment. The simulation environment is expected to be ready by the third quarter of 2025, with the first competitions taking place in the fourth quarter of 2025. Beyond the AI Fight Club, Lockheed is embedding AI across nearly every tier of its operations. That includes sensor fusion in platforms like the F-35, experimentation with AI-piloted X-62 A-Vista jets, and autonomy in UAV development, all demonstrating why Lockheed is arguably the most aggressive builder of an AI-first future in defense taken together. These companies, from Blade Ranger's payload drones to Lockheed's Astris AI, show that artificial intelligence isn't just a side project. It's now at the very core of defense strategy. For investors, 2026 offers a rare convergence, soaring defense budgets, and rapid AI adoption, coming together in the companies shaping tomorrow's battlefields. Spotting these kinds of breakthroughs before they move markets is the real challenge. That's where Level Field's AI comes in. The platform scans tens of thousands of news, contracts, and announcements every day to detect exactly these types of catalysts. Whether it's a billion-dollar Pentagon contract, a new AI weapon system, or a government defense budget shift. Instead of digging through endless headlines, you get real-time alerts on the events that actually move defense stocks. If you want to track AI's impact on the defense sector and know which companies are winning contracts, Level Fields gives you the early signal. Follow and subscribe for more. Level Fields, Elite Investing, Effortless AI.